Hey, it's Eddie with National Billiard Academy, and welcome to this new series, Pool Etiquette, and how to use it to gain a strategic advantage at the table. Enjoy. Let's talk about distractions. There's an old saying in pool that if it occurs outside of these rails and it draws your attention, that you are not really focused on this match. Unfortunately, that's a myth that I wish to dispel. It's not how our brains work. We're animals. Our subconscious is trained to look for distractions, look for motion to see if it might be a danger to us. So unfortunately, you can't control that. But what you can control is whether you allow yourself to stay down on a shot when you recognize that your brain might be distracted. So how does this fit into pool etiquette? We don't want to walk in front of other people's shots. And in another one of the videos in this series where I talk about owning your spot, that's where you should stay while your opponent is at the table. And then once you're at the table, take the lap, make sure everything is settled, don't be distracted. At the Intensive Pool Clinic, we'll show you how to employ these and many other techniques to give you a strategic advantage at the table. I want to thank Team NBA for their help, Sure Thing Billiards, and I want to thank you for watching. Take care.